On this video, I'm going to tell you about the detail about the structure of the stupas. Okay, so before that, what is the stupa basically? Stupa is basically it's a burial mold. It is basically a burial mold from Vedic period, and it is also it is a conventional representation of the funeral cumulus. This is basically which is basically a relic and ashes of the dead were kept alive basically. All right, so this is stupas which came to climax during the Ashoka period. Around during that time 84,000 stupas were erected, and the stupas were popularized by the Buddhists, which is although it is a Vedic tradition. After the death of Buddha, 9 stupas were erected. All right, among this nine, 8 stupas had the relic of Buddha, and the ninth stupa had pot where the relic were originally kept. So this is about the introduction, but now let's see about the structure. Okay, so talking about the structure, as you can see in this side view of the stupa, and in the side view you can see this rectangular, here I am showing you as a rectangular, but if you see it from the top view will look like this. The top view will look like this. So this is basically basically this contains I wrote here it as a relic, but if you see in detail from inside, then there is a medhi. Okay, medhi is basically a raised platform upon which the relic pot is placed. And what is this pot? Upon this pot, it contains the relic of the Gautam Buddha, and this is considered to be very highly sacred, and it is kept inside the stupa. Okay, which is inside the stupa. Well, now talking about the structure and the design of this stupa, which is used to be like this. um upon this relic, it is covered by this dome sort of a structure, which is called as andha. Okay, and this andha is a burial mold formed on the top of this relic. All right, and over the top of this dome or andha, there is a balcony like a structure which depicts the adobe like structure of Buddha. Okay, which is called as harmika. This is a balcony like a structure over the top of this anda is a harmika. And on the top of harmika there is a structure called Chatravali. So Chatravali is contains of three chatris symbolizing the three ratnas in Buddhism. Okay, those are Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. We know it, right? The basic three ratnas of the Buddhism. Well, even if you see now from here, over here you see the circular sort of a structure. Okay, as you can clearly see from this in the top view of this is what it is exactly. Okay, so the pathway outside this andha is the path used by the pilgrimage. This is a path basically. This is exactly what it is here. You should be seeing in this way. Okay, the path which you see right here, okay, this is basically a circular path. So this path is basically called as a pradakshina. Okay, so in over the pradakshina, pilgrims used to walk for parikrama. Okay, this is a path outside the stupa, and outside the stupa, which is basically railing which is surrounded, which is around the mold separating the sacred place. This is a sacred place, and outside space, this is what it is used to Vedika. Okay, Vedika is a railing around the mold to separate the sacred place and the outer space. And even if you see here, there is a one more structure here, you can see. Okay, this is an ornamental kind of gate. Okay, this is basically what it is, a freestanding ornamental gate in all four directions. The other one is beside this stupa, which you cannot see right now, which I cannot show you right now because since it is a 2D picture. And this four gateways, four freestanding ornamental gateway, which is called as torana. This torana is the it is in the all four direction around the stupa. So this is about the structure of the stupa. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much.